enjoy it, then you can fire me.
We are in a brand new Rolls Royce Cullinan black badge. Do you know what a black badge is?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
It's a special edition. Royce makes it. The trims are black.
Black? Just black?
Yes.
That's it?
Yes, sir.
It just looks black to you?
Yes. It's shiny black, shiny black.
Okay. You don't see right in front of you? What's right in front of you?
Carbon fiber.
It's a special type of carbon fiber, though. It has like these little. I don't even know what kind of twill this is, but it's a very special type of carbon fiber.
To be honest, I don't get it. I like the car. I just want to enjoy it.
Black badge Cullinan. This is sitting on 26-inch wheels, 40-spoke wheels, which is crazy. These wheels, we had them custom built. This is the most concave wheels I've seen in 26s, just like the RDB wheels in 26s we just did. So made by the same factory and everything. A lot of people would tell us with 26s, we'll build you this wheel, but we can't make it concave. We were doing that for a couple of years, and now with this new manufacturer, we're able to make them really concave in 26s. Does it feel like it's on 26s? It's lowered a little bit.
I think it's because of the car, maybe. No?
The car is huge. It has a lot of space within the suspension new, and it's set up very nicely. But 26s, it should feel like shit, but it doesn't.
But you have to understand one thing: it's made by BMW, so this is the reason.
Oh my god!
It's smooth.
Are you trying to compare your car to this? Is that what you're doing?
No, BMW. I'm trying to say it's a BMW. Yeah, but the stock Cullinan, I don't like it. I don't know why. It looks like.
Yeah, because they made it too SUV-ish, and it's like tall, and it looks really big, and a lot of things doesn't flow with it. Believe it or not, Rolls Royce does a good job.
Also different between black badges, like price difference, like 60,000.
Black badge, you said the trims, which you're right? It has the black badge logos everywhere. Obviously, that makes you feel better about yourself. Also, the outside, there's a lot of the chrome is actually black chrome.
Okay, no, my question is, what's the difference, the price-wise?
Price-wise, I think it's about $60,000 to $80,000.
What about if the customers, they buy the normal one, they bring it to us, we'll do it for like 30,000.
Who wants to get a Cullinan and redo the interior? You can,
but you have to understand it's too much. So if the customers they go buy a Cullinan and they bring it to us,
some people want it to be factory, nicely done.
But still, our job is not good. We do a factory job.
I get it.
We're just certified and everything. So
what does that have to do with this?
We do a better job than a lot of dealers.
So you guys already know Sarkis doesn't lie apparently, even though I think he's a big time liar. But he doesn't lie apparently, and he's saying we're the best. So that means you're not lying. That's one thing I agree with you on. Everything else is bullshit.
Because the reason we're number one, because I'm the one who's managing the body shop. That's the reason why.
Is that why we're forgetting to do a lot of things?
Still. Okay, so guys, we're in Sunset. So I think it will be fair enough if I sit in the back.
No.
I'll just pull up next to a girl and I can touch her.
Okay, and then she's gonna see your face, and she's gonna throw up.
She's gonna see the collar and she's gonna smile.
And then I'm gonna say, "This is my bitch." And you just wanted to sit in the back because you wanted to look cool. I can't wait until you go back to work and I make you work like a bitch.
I'm gonna be fired.
That's true. I have to get gas really badly. Every car has no gas.
I think they do it on purpose.
Car.
But did you notice expensive cars only? If you pay attention,
I think
expensive cars.
I think rich people don't like to get gas.
No, I think they're doing it on purpose so you're not gonna drive their cars.
Everybody that brings their car knows we're gonna drive their car. If you go to another shop, they're gonna drive the cars secretly.
Yeah.
And they're gonna do stuff to the cars secretly. We film everything, and it's out in the open. Big difference.
To be honest, who buys a Cullinan, they have to buy a driver too.
No.
It's something you have to sit in the back and drive.
No.
Not drive it.
You live in La La Land. If you had $100 million, what cars would you have?
First one will be my first one will be the 2020 Ferrari Pista. It's not out yet, but
what are you talking about?
Ferrari
Pista. Pista's been out.
No, the new ones, new body.
Oh my god. The F8.
Yes.
They haven't. It's not gonna be called Pista. Pista's for the 488 version. Before the 488 was the 458, and that one was called the Special.
And
Special. Pista. The next one, we don't know what it's gonna be called yet.
And then I will buy a Rolls Royce Cullinan, Rolls Royce Dawn,
Cullinan, Dawn,
Lamborghini Urus, G63.
G63.
But not a Brabus, G63.
This is a lot of cars. What are you gonna do with all these cars?
I will drive it. I have 100 million.
And where are you gonna drive to with these cars?
Bro, I'm gonna be bored every day.
Uh-huh. So you're not gonna work anymore, you're not gonna do anything?
No.
That's it?
That's it.
What are you gonna do, just talk to girls?
Why talk to them if I can date them?
So you're gonna date girls?
Yeah, for one day.
You're gonna date one
Like
girl a day?
one night stand.
One per day?
Yes.
And then you're gonna change it?
Yeah, of course.
So you're gonna have every day a different girlfriend?
Bro, you have 100 million.
Okay.
What else you need?
So you need all these cars, and you need to get a different girlfriend every day, and that's it, you're set.
Yeah,
That's it?
Huh?
I think this car's faster than your car.
Of course. It's a BMW, yes. I'm not gonna argue it's a BMW.
So a big ass SUV, you're not gonna argue it's faster than your car?
Because this is made by BMW.
That's the only reason?
Yep.
Oh.
Crazy, bro. There's nothing wrong with this shit. It's really nothing, bro. The thing is, they use a good.
Why are you here still?
Oh my God!
I see you're done. I don't know why you're still here. Get out.
He got scared.
Is that his? What do you do with this?
Take the clamps off.
What clamp?
Water.
Ah.
This is special tooth.
Nice. You just use my fingers for that. Good job, idiot.
You call me idiot again.
Idiot. What the hell is this? Alright guys, you remember that G800 Brabus we showed you on 2 or 3 episodes ago? It's fully underway. We're tearing the whole car apart for a wrap and some other accessories. But since this car already had the whole Brabus kit on there, everything was installed previously. It's okay, I like my car. It was all installed previously, so we had to remove it. Removing all this stuff entails removing glue. This is thin carbon fiber. Obviously it's durable, but trying to pry this off, you could break this very easily. This single piece alone is a few grand. Just like the rest of the kit, everything was screwed and glued on. The glue has to come off very carefully. This was done in a Brabus factory here in Irvine. So they did a very good job. Very difficult to remove this, but everything is off safely. We're gonna clean all this glue off. We're gonna wrap this car, put everything back on. Also, I forgot to mention that all this work is done by very talented people like myself. So I did a pretty good job.
Make me laugh. Ese vato me hace reír siempre, me enoja, me pone bravo y me hace reír. Loco. You do the hard work
Yeah.
and I do the
Easy work.
easy work. Okay. I do the hard work.
That's not what I said. You're doing the easy part, getting the glue out. I did the hard work, I got the piece out.
Oh, okay. That's what he said.
Hey man, what are you doing? Put your phone away, come here.
It's a business card.
Let me see if it's business stuff.
Boy, you can't. It's a business card.
I told you many times, no phone, and stop smoking cigarettes.
It's a business
Because of
card.
that, you're gonna get punished now. You already know what's gonna happen.
Why?
Okay. When I tell you he's the dumbest person, he really is. Sarkis got punished and he was supposed to hold the RDB sign to get some customers, advertisement, and he managed to break it within 5 seconds. So there you have it, Sarkis again. And nobody told you to spin it, bro.
You told me to spin it.
I didn't tell you to spin
I
it.
told you to go like this.
Yeah. Why would you spin that?
Are you gonna keep it for my paycheck?
Bro, why? This was sick. Just fucking threw it in the air.
Oh, Shank will be freestyle.
Yeah, well, you didn't get any customers, so.
Of course I did.
It was 5
Right
seconds.
there. With the customer right there. She came. She asked, what does this mean? I told her RDB.
Okay, I'm definitely not paying you that $500.
Bro, you can't even do your punishments right.